Hi, my name is Dominic from 128 Plumbing. Me and Jared just finished a whole home water filtration system, a custom design. We started with a water test that we offer and we recommend people do once a year, whether they have city water or well water. This is a reverse osmosis system. This is the cleanest way you can make drinking water. Some people don't like the taste of our raw water. They feel like it's kind of plain or bland. Now this injects minerals back into the water afterwards to make it taste better. This is a booster pump for the RO system, so you're no longer forced to put these like underneath your kitchen sink. We're in the basement right now, and this is also feeding the refrigerator, ice maker, and water feed as well. This is what they call a whole home carbon block sediment filter. This is the first filter off the main. This is going to help keep a lot of sediment and even help with taste. This next filter is actually certified. It's certified to remove lead, PFOAs, PFAs, along with many other harmful products. So these systems together work great. This system right here is a softener. It also helps with pH levels. And we installed bypass systems for each unit. So if something was to happen, we're able to bypass it and change the filter and not have to have the house go without water. We also installed a whole home water shutoff. And what it does is you can shut the water off to the entire house, through an app. If water is running, you can set it for how long. If it's recognizing too many GPMs, it'll notify you. There's also a sensor right here on the ground. If the sensor gets wet, it'll automatically shut off the water. So it's basically like a great peace of mind. If you're concerned about water leaks or just in general, or if you like to travel, you can turn your water off and on. So if you're interested or think you may be a good candidate for water conditioning, give us a call and we'll come out and we'll do a free water test for you.